Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make tacos gobernador. So if you want to learn how I make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, it will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. To our pan over medium heat, I'm going to melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay, once the butter melts and our pan is nice and hot, we're going to add our onion and chile serrano or jalapeño. Now we're just going to saute it for a couple minutes. After a couple minutes, add the 2 minced garlic cloves and we're just going to give it 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, add the 2 roasted poblano peppers. Make sure that you clean them and chop them into small pieces. And along with that, our roma tomatoes. I'm going to give it a couple minutes. After 2 minutes, we're going to add our chile chipotle. Just mix it in and allow it to cook for 1 minute. After the minute, we're going to add a raw shrimp. Here I already have it all nice and clean. Just going to throw it in. And I'm just going to be seasoning with some roasted garlic and herb, salt, and black pepper. Now just mix it all together and allow it to cook. So the shrimp cooks very fast, so just give it about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, after 2 minutes, your shrimp should have turned into a beautiful salmon color. So at this point, they are done. Now we're just going to turn it off and sprinkle our cilantro. And once we have that, now we can get ready to make our tacos. Okay, to make the tacos, set your comal over medium heat. Just going to be adding a little bit of oil. And just place your corn tortillas and allow them to blister. And once the tortilla blisters, flip it over. And here, add your shredded queso Oaxaca. And just allow the queso to melt. Okay, and once the cheese melts, grab your shrimp mixture, place it over the cheese. And just close it. And just like that, we can now get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make. It's quick and perfect for this time of year. So I am so ready. Of course, I gotta serve it with my favorite salsa. I already have a video on it. I will leave it down in the description box. But let me tell you, I am ready. And of course, if you want to chop up your shrimp, you can always do that. Or you could just keep it how I did, use the small shrimps. But I'm ready. Hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. It's so simple, but so flavorful. Of course, I like everything with chile poblano and the chile chipotle. Everything, perfect combination. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make the easiest and most delicious tacos gobernador. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.